camera pans across green rice fields, morning mist still lingering. Every season, the fields call me back. This is my home, and this is where I belong. Soft ambient sounds of birds, water and wind. Good morning. Today, I'm heading to the fields to transplant young rice plants. It's the start of a new crop season. The mud is cold at first, but I get used to it quickly. Each seedling I plant is a hope for a good harvest. She looks into the camera. It's not easy work, but I love it. Out here, I feel free. No noise, no rush, just me and the land. This is rural life, simple, honest, and full of heart. Thank you for spending a day with me in the rice field.